This is our headquarters in Lefeng. Here is our office for the sales department.
The upstairs is our meeting room.
The second floor is our showroom. Let me show you the way.
So here you can see our company development since 2017. When we established our company, we work on simple modern designs, and later we also increased some PU elements. And then from 2020, we work on more aesthetic designs. After that, we mainly work on the modern designs. So also we have some certificates for the product patents and ISOs.
This is also our office area for our sales department. And this one is our designer Yang.
Hello.
And this is Ashley. And this Sylvia.
Hello.
And this Wendy.
Hello.
This is our HR and financial department. And this one is Tina. And this one is our financial manager. And this is our general manager, Kun.
Hello. Welcome to BT.
Now come to our showroom area for modern office furniture.
Look, this is our hostel design. This design we make a series for it.
And this is our white series. And this one is our latest models. It's beautiful. In this area, we have mainly manager decks. This is our latest models.
If you only need melamine designs, we have other designs for your option.
We have also many soft tables on the wall for 1.2 and 1.4 meters.
And they are our 2-meter high